Ever pondered on the significance of the date of death valuation in real estate sales in California? Well, it's more critical than you might think. In the Golden State, the value of a real estate property in a probate estate is generally determined as of the date of death of the decedent. This is referred to as the date of death valuation. This value is used to ascertain the basis of the property for tax purposes and to calculate any capital gains tax owed on the sale of the property. The date of death valuation is rooted in the fair market value of the property on the day the owner passed away. This value is determined by a probate referee appointed by the court. The referee's job is to inspect the property, review recent sales of comparable properties in the area, and determine the fair market value of the property. Now you might be wondering, what are the tax implications? Well, the value determined by the probate referee is used to calculate the basis of the property for tax purposes. The basis is the value used to determine any capital gains tax owed on the sale of the property. If the property is sold for more than the basis, the difference is considered a capital gain and is subject to capital gains tax. However, there are certain exceptions to the date of death valuation rule. For instance, if the property is sold within 6 months of the decedent's death and the sale price is less than the date of death valuation, the basis of the property is the sale price, not the date of death valuation. Moreover, if the property is sold more than 1 year after the decedent's death and the sale price is more than the date of death valuation, the executor can elect to use the alternate valuation date, which is 6 months after the date of death. This can result in a lower basis and lower capital gains tax owed. It's worth noting that executors should consult with an attorney and a tax professional to fully comprehend the tax implications of selling a real estate property in a probate estate. In summary, the date of death valuation is a vital aspect of real estate sales in California. This value affects the basis of the property for tax purposes and can significantly impact the capital gains tax owed on the sale of the property. Furthermore, exceptions to the rule can provide opportunities for tax savings. Therefore, understanding the date of death valuation and its implications is essential for anyone involved in real estate in California.